Hello wonderful people, welcome back to Treasure Kitchen's channel. Hope you all are doing great. Thank you for stopping by. In today's video we are making a delicious and moist fruit cake, and we are using all these ingredients you are looking at here. Hope you enjoy watching. Thank you. We are using cooking method for this cake, so I'll start by adding the juice into the pot with some other ingredients. For my fruit juice, I have grape and orange juice there. Add the dry fruits, brown sugar. I have dry nuts here too. I've also added ginger juice. You can use ginger powder. I'm adding clove here. I also added some lemon juice, salt. I have some orange zest there, which I got from one orange. Mix everything together. I'm using margarine. You can use butter. I'll leave all the measurements in the description box below, so do check it out. After adding that, I'll now cover and boil. Once it starts boiling, I'll reduce the heat to the lowest and allow it to simmer for about 10 minutes. After about 10 minutes, I'll take it out from the stove, then allow it to cool down. I normally put it in the fridge for about 5 minutes so that it cools off before I can add other ingredients. And here it is cool enough to add the ingredients, especially the egg, so that it will not cook. I'll then start by adding other ingredients. I have some cinnamon and a nutmeg there. Baking powder. I'm using 2 raw eggs. Mix everything together gently. And we now add the flour. I'm using all-purpose flour. At this point, my oven is already preheating at 200 degrees Celsius, and I've also greased and lined my baking pan. I'll then transfer the batter into the pan and bake for about 60 to 70 minutes. And here we have our fruit cake, looking beautiful and yummy. I baked this for 70 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius. I'll allow it to cool down, then I'll bring it out from the pan. It's been cooling off now for about 10 minutes. I'll then bring it out and remove the parchment paper, which is so soaked. Sorry about that. Here we have it. Hope you like what you are seeing. As for me, I love it. Thank you all for watching. I had to cut the cake to have a bite, and it tasted so delicious. Yes. Thank you all for watching. And if you're new here, you are highly welcomed. My name is Henrietta Onyemere. Thank you for stopping by. And please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime we upload. And to my old subscribers, my beautiful viewers, I thank you all and I bless you. May God continue to bless you. And I wish you a very beautiful and prosperous new year. Thank you for always supporting me. I'm using this opportunity to say a very big thank you to all of you. May God bless you. See you all in our next video and in a beautiful year. Remain blessed. Bye bye.